Hold to me. Hold here, hold here, hold here. Hold on me, hold on me, hold on me. Yo, get ready, okay? Yo, shashalo tayo sa, sa gita. Jacket. Northwest, on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the gate.
Bedrock na naman.
Back.
Mugi mark mo nga to. Hindi mo win.
Jacket on me.
Push na.
Dito na kami nila.
Come inside. Jacket kayo dito sa loob.
Second jacket ito ah.
Okay.
Bantay sa likod.
Mapasok na
Come sa
sila.
T-side. Come sa T-smart. Oh, wait. Hold lang. Come sa Tis.
Kita ako eh.
Come sa Tis. Yo, jacket. Northwest over the gate lang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the gate lang. Ay, come back. It's alright. Come south. Southwest. Come southwest. Hami sa city. Come south. Hold lang dito. Saan sila nagbubong? Northwest? Southwest? Come southeast. Come east.
Takina. Nalayap ako ng purity room doon sa club. Munti na ako mamatay.
Come east. Hold here. Come northwest. Ready to jacket. Come northwest. Jacket. On the gate. Get ready. Northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate lang. This guys. Ay, come. Ina Judy helmet yun. Napakasakto naman nun. Come southwest. Ikot on me.
Blink in ako sa loob ng Judy help eh.
Come southwest.
Second jacket.
Come southeast. Hold here.
Leave.
Hold lang.
Ba't lumabas?
Busata.
Come southwest. Ay, mantap. May wishing star pa yata eh. Come south.
Ba't tumakbo?
Forward
Come
tayo.
east. Okay, listen, dismount on me. Ready jacket. Just walk southwest. Ready jacket.
May
Keep
nakatingin.
coming.
Oh,
Jacket. West side 5, west side 4, 3. Okay, kama. Wala, masyadong malayo. Nagkahit sila north. Come northeast. Yo, everything inside on the mobs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the mobs. Mount up. Come sa east.
Ito backline ah.
Come sa
Ito backline ng western.
Come sa east. Come east.
open
Come
world.
east pa. Dismount on me. Walk southwest.
Walking northwest. Walking southwest sila.
Ready jacket.
Ako nag-turn.
Ready jacket. Jacket. West side. 5. West side 4, 3, 2, 1. West side. Ay, kamakis. Kamakis. Jacket on me. Come north. Tsaka jacket, kamis pa. Okay, kami northeast.
Ang bakal naman mag-heal.
Come north.
Datingin yung JE.
Nasaan yung alay? Paping.
Dito alay.
Jay Mugi.
Alay.
Gaminat. Alam ko, kita ko. Nakasunod sa akin yan. Ano yan? Bomb ba yan? Ready your pots ah.
Guys, pag dimwit yung pangalan na, ano yan? MP bomb.
Ay, come southwest.
Safe ka na dito.
Come south.
Wrapping southwest sila.
Yo, pa-perma engage na ito. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Proper engage. Come back. Come back. Come back.
Nice.
Come back. Jacket.
Wait lang.
Yung DPS lang need mag-jacket ah. Tsaka yung LC. Second jacket. Hamay sa CD.
Ay,
Come southwest. Jacket. Get ready, southwest over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Come back. Yo, walang life curse.
nabuild rock.
Come back. Wait. Okay, jacket. Kamis.
Getting back yung atin. Ata.
Bago. 10 seconds pa yung second jacket. 5. 4,
Canvas.
3. Magja-jacket pa ka?
Walk west. Come northwest. Key kami northwest. Yo, kami.
Downhill na
Yo,
sila.
ready, jacket. West side, get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side. Come back agad. Ready your pods, come back southeast. Ready your pods, come south. Ready lang. Putang ina. Grabe nang panic yung mga tao. Pahinga ng likod. Hindi pa nag-engage kalaban. Diretso pods kayo. Chill, niggas. Chill. Kamis.
Ingat kayo doon sa dimwit ah.
Yan.
8-3 MP yun.
Kamis.
Oh, si Nutra ba nilulot lang tayo?
Kamis. Kiss kamis.
Ay, tayo na double OC ba? Baka maano pa ako.
Dok.
Bagmasagan pa ako.
Come southeast. Yo, mount up first.
Western to ah.
It's one to me.
Huhulihin pa ako, wala.
Do.
Nagrarap na sila. Inaaksa yung oras sa akin.
Come right west. Jacket. Look at east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke. Ang layo nyo. Come back southwest. Ready your pods. Come southwest. Ready your pods. Come southwest. Jacket. Come south. Jacket. Spots. Heal up agad. Okay, good. Heal me. How many seconds? Kamis. How many seconds? Heal me. Get ready, ah. Keep walking.
Gcash.
ayun,
Heal up southside. Pail lang southside, please. Mamamatay ako. Putang ina. Help mo healers. Man. Where's my healers? Spread and mount up. Bro, why am I not getting any heals? For the longest time. Spread mount up. Come back. Hindi ako na-heal kanina.
Hindi ako nasa beach na yung laban nila.
I'm safe portaling and hoping I'm there. Bag may debuff.
Debuff yan. May debuff.
So, pwede niya kunin to. Pang
Okay.
points ng ano. Maglet. Ito ba mo? Kunin natin.
Gawin ko na nga lang yung cargo na yan.
Spread and mount up.
Uy, kupal.
Come on, safe portal. Do me good, please. River Cops fan.
Ito yung hinahanap ko kahapon, Drex eh. Wala akong mauwi eh. Oh, lapit lang oh.
So, pasok muna kayo, ano, dungeon. Gago, kita sa map yan.
Yung
Yung
mga
ano,
marka sa mapa.
yung mga map. Favor din yan.
Break some quit lagi. Lapit pa to. Lagi to.
Okay lang yan. Isang kill na ako.
Sige lang.
Eh, madami ba yun?
They're still fighting.
They're still fighting, they're still fighting.
Bakit naging open world yan?
Putang ina, i-earth rune ko na lang to. Fuck this shit.
Sino ba kaaway ng Western?
Si,
Kaaway sila palagi. Wishing?
wishing.
Ratter zoning.
Si Livy pumatay eh. Yun sa iba.
Pre, pumatay sa akin, Mace. Dinaganan ako.
Pinalo ka.
Hindi, pre, dinaganan ako.
Kapag talon. Ingat kayo ha, may bomb dito sa southwest.
Yung dimit, kanina ko pa
Huwag ka
sinusubukan
dyan lumiyap. Aports, huwag ka dyan.
Hindi, sige, kita ko naman sila. Chill.
Pwede pa to?
Wala lang tayong clamp.
Ito yung
Babalik
backline
na
ng wishing.
Okay, yan. Wala pa yung roll yan.
Pwede kayo pumatay ng mga healers dyan eh.
Tara.
Oy, gago, kikidnapin ako, gago.
Naku, Upwards is dying.
Namatay pa ng-
Upwards is dead.
Nakidnap ako ng one shot.
Ah,
Putang
Nasa
ina.
escarp na ako, guys.
Wala,
Ibang
hindi
ba?
ka na babalik pa.
Sabi mo, makikita mo.
Hindi, akala ko Zerg yung sinasabi mo. Hindi yung one shot.
Hindi, yung one shot yung sinasabi ko.
Ah, wala na. Okay lang yan, Dimas.
Wala,
Bawi
hindi
mamaya.
na babalik.
Ang dami
Okay,
ko pa
baka
naman.
may hero dito. Asan to?
Push back na.
Lapit na ako. Ang ginagawa nila?
Pa-fight. May,
Nasa sila ng
western
sa part sila.
southwest ng map.
May ano
Hindi
dito.
sa pa kayo.
May share pole passage.
This array
13.
natin.
14.
13?
Oh,
1-4, 1-4.
Yung kalaban,
Mayroong black dun, ay may red dun sa ano sa loob Sino yun?
si, lapit na ako.
Hero.
2 zones away.
Western no disarray.
Oh?
Si, wala na silang disarray. Si,
Wishing.
wishing.
Hanap ko yung wishing. Ay, yung GG is 22 pala western. Yung wish ata yung wala. Yun. Wala eh. Na kung saan tumatakbo yung wishing.
Nagkakait sila.
Oo. Wishing. Level
Puro
12
fight yan eh.
disarray.
Dahil na may disarray dyan.
Oo. May disarray lahat. Tayo yung 15 tayo. Si Wishing 12. Si Western 22.
Kaya mo ba zonin?
Guys, come.
Saan kayo? South kayo ng mapa?
West.
West, hard west.
South.
Lapit na
Hard south yung fight.
Okay. Everyone regroup sa southwest side. Desert ba yung mobs is their specialty?
Wow.
Ba't anong problema sa forest?
Wipe na ata Mugi. Patay si Wids.
Sige lang, papalag pa tayo. Ang satis.
Nagpa-fight po Wishing tsaka Western. Ata.
Pick up on me.
Oo, nagpa-fight pa silang dalawang.
Saan sila?
Hard south. Dito sila nagpa-fight. Kiting back southwest yung
Si si
Ano,
Baloney
request
yung
mo,
magkukonsult.
request.
Wala out na si
Wishing.
Askin.
So, ang satis ka satis. Yo, you jacket when I say Then just
Backline
stand
to.
at the edge. Jacket. Get ready, east side on me, east side on me. 5, east side on me. 4, 3, 2, 1, east side on me. Okay, come back west. Sige, come back west. Jacket on me.
Wait lang. Nasa likod ako.
Ako na, ay,
Sakit
Keep coming northwest. Keep walking. Just walk northwest.
Danger di ba ko?
How many seconds? Next
Dead.
jacket. May assassin jacket na kayo?
Wait.
Kami
Wait.
Fine.
Okay na.
Done.
Okay,
Done.
may jacket na? Kano
Eh.
talaga? Nasa
May galasit yung yugo.
Jacket. East side shallow on me. East side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, east side. And spread, ready, puppy pots ha. Puppy pot spread. Spread kayo. Mag-spread kayo, okay? Spread. You can run south side if you can. Spread, okay? Spread and mount up and regroup sa akin. Spread and mount up and regroup.
Tao, inahinabol ako.
Hilme! 5 seconds na lang, maka-call down na, makalis na ako. Ayun na.
Hindi, patay na yata western. Wipe na yung western.
Wipe na pareho, parang yun na lang natitira.
Yung zone southwest. Ilan na patay natin sa uli? 3?
Ayang yun ah.
2.
Dalawa. Sa akin, dalawa.
Let's go back. Yo, push your gears.
Yung
Uy, may rigger na. Baka mo, ikaw naman gumawa ng thread.
Nang?
Thread.
Nang ano? Thread?
Thread.
Teka. Mamaya, hindi pa ako nakauwi.
Ako na lang.
Sige.